All right, guys, so we're actually almost done with this worksheet. We just did F. Now we're going to do G. So we have aluminum powder is placed in a container filled with chlorine gas. All right, so let's see. I'm going to keep it up high just so because G is right there on the bottom of the sheet. And let's see if we can figure out what's going on. Okay, so let's start off with our standard color. So we have aluminum powder that's placed in a container filled with chlorine gas. So that is going to be aluminum plus chlorine gas is Cl. And now we need to figure out what it's going to make. So we have an element plus an element. So hopefully you guys are screaming that this is a synthesis reaction because that's exactly what it is. And you are going to make aluminum. You're going to make aluminum chloride. Okay. So I'm going to raise this up a little just so that you can see what's going on now that we have the equation written properly. All right, so let's start with charges. Let's start with charges. That's where we always start. So aluminum is fine, chlorine is fine because they're by themselves. We have aluminum that is going to be +3. We have chlorine that is -3. The other thing I want to remind you guys is we do have a fantastic member of the Magnificent Seven with us. Chlorine is part of the Magnificent Seven. So remember, it can never exist by itself. It is always going to be Cl2. So hopefully y'all didn't miss that. Okay. Let's write our correct formulas. We need to cross. This is going to be AlCl3. And then we just need to balance, right? So let me get rid of some of this noise over here so you guys can see what I'm doing. And let's put in our coefficients and balance this thing. So remember 3's and 2's, 3's and 2's. I see chlorine with a 3, I'm going to put a 2. I see chlorine with a 2, I'm going to put a 3. And then the only thing I have left to balance, because right now I have 6 chlorine and 6 chlorine, are my aluminum. I'm going to put a 2 there, and guess what? We are balanced. So hopefully that was helpful.